This is Andrew Leon with Marlin Spike Consulting. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to use SmartArt in Microsoft Word and other Office products. SmartArt is used if you want to create graphics that contain text or other content and you would like those to convey additional meaning to that content. So for example, you might have text that shows a step-by-step process or a cyclical process or a hierarchical list. To insert a SmartArt, I go to the Insert tab and choose SmartArt, and I get a gallery that shows all of the available SmartArts. If I click on the category, it restricts it to just those SmartArts in that particular category that convey that type of meaning. I'll click on the List category and choose the Vertical Picture Accent List. When I click on any SmartArt in the gallery, over on the right hand side it gives a sentence or two description of the type of situation and content that it would be best to use that SmartArt for. When I click OK, the SmartArt appears in my document. In this case I have a vertical list of 3 items and there's a picture that accents each one of those items. I could use that picture if I had a list of products or people or companies with logos and I wanted to add a graphic that represented each of those items. In my case, I'm going to create a list of the steps for shampooing one's hair. So I'll type the first step. I'm typing in the text pane over on the left-hand side. Each bullet point represents a box in the SmartArt. When I press the down arrow to go to the next bullet point and type it, that updates that box. But I don't have to use the text pane. If I prefer, I can also just click right on the text placeholder inside the box itself and type there. If I want to get rid of an individual box, I can right click on it in the SmartArt diagram and click cut and remove it from there. If I would like to add a box, I can just create a new bullet point over in the text pane. If my items are in the wrong order, I can click on the bullet point and then move it up or down or promote or demote hierarchical lists as well. Even after I've added content to the SmartArt, I can still go back and change which SmartArt I'm using. In the SmartArt gallery, if I click the More Layouts button, that will take me back to my original list where I have all the possible SmartArts available. And I can choose, for this example, one that's a cycle that more accurately represents the list of items, because this is a repetitive process. I can also change colors or other formats. When I click Change Colors, note that up at the top I have my primary theme colors. So themes colors do get inherited by SmartArt and by other graphics in the document, which is a great reason to use themes. But I can also choose other non-theme related colors here. That's how to use SmartArt in Microsoft Office.